everyone, welcome to Tekla Pasha channel. Today we are in a very famous place in Vancouver, BC, Canada place. What for? You're gonna learn it in a few minutes.
We have like they're still gonna be nice.
So no secrets anymore. We are going on a cruise today. It's our anniversary and my second half invited me for a cruise. Which one and what we're gonna do? Stay with me, guys. So we just went through security, now in a board of Anthem of the sea. Have to register ourselves and then we proceed. Stay with me, stay tuned. There's 16 floors of this ship, but we now trying to get our cabin. So we already in our cabin. Hi everyone. We'll be enjoying this cruise for sure. And now going to see. This is a nice bed here. Wow. And a little sofa just to watch TV. We also have a little washroom here. Oh, it looks quite good. Look at the shower. Toilets. And again, hello everyone. And also we have balcony, TV. May I see it? Just a second. Oh. That's our favorite Vancouver. You can see downtown Vancouver and mountains surrounding Vancouver and Pacific Ocean. Before we go for dinner, because we arrived at 3 o'clock and it's not open yet. Just have a little walk around before dinner. The bar is still closed, so we'll come here after 5. It's very exciting to see something like this. Second narrow bridge passing under. Sunset on a cruise to Hawaii. on autumn of the sea. This is the buffet. We're gonna be having breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's check what they got tonight for dinner. This is our first night on the ship. This is salad bars. Wow, different kind of fresh stuff. And cheese, my favorite, feta cheese. Cucumbers, tomatoes, they make your own salad. Kinds of curry, masala. I don't see butter chicken yet, but probably no, tomorrow will be in the grilled polenta. Did I pronounce it properly? Roasted root veggies. Wow. Yes, okay. Pasta and off the grill stuff. Wow. Steaks. Wow, that's good. And now we go to the pasta section. Yeah, spaghetti and yeah, different kind of ravioli, stuff like this. And here we come to the salad department. Fried rice. Crab cakes, wow, so good. Coconut cookie crumbs. Now it's already sliced up. Chicken, fried chicken, not Kentucky, but fried chicken and barbecue sauce, corn dogs. And pulled pork, I like it. I'm gonna make myself something like taco. For dessert, fruits mostly, yeah. Beautifully done. You can make yourself a salad again here. Yeah. Caesar, for example, my favorite is feta cheese. Last 10 days the desserts. The piece of art. Red velvet. Dinner tonight on our cruise, and check out my plate. It's international. Some naan. I got some Rainier sauce. This is for the one. Fried beets, lentil, and curry. Isn't it nice? And here's some sour chicken. It's not Indian, but I like it too. So let's try first. We'll try the masala first. So let's do it. Very good. I like naan too, you know, but It probably will be good with this Rainer sauce. This is white. I don't know what it's made of, but very nice. Looks everything fine. I just don't know what really this stuff is, you know? I just picked it up. I didn't read what. But anyway, I'm enjoying my dinner. It's really good. Lentil. Here you go. Almost like a soup, but it's not. It's like a little bit heavy consistency, but I like it. So good. Enjoying my dinner. Thank you. Look what my husband got for dessert. It's a piece of wow, creamy cakes and a fruit. So enjoy it, honey.
Thank you.
All made of chocolate.